Thank you, my baby.
Bitches love me cause they probably think I'm rich. Niggas hate me cause I got the finest chick. Joy in my heart, bitches on my ribs. South Africa gets very like Chevy shit. Bansiba all over, I'm making hits. Skamota king wanna say sika juicy lips. Kinisha cherry black on my podcast.
All right, let me do this. My sister, Lindy. Normally when I start, kirato toast, ne? Can we toast? Just to for what? I'll follow you for what? Chelete.
Success.
Awukwahale sex. Urling sex again.
Mpumelelo.
Urling. Toast for what? Mpumelelo. And what? More money, obviously.
More money. Exposure, more gigs.
Yeah. You know, I'm failing to hear you. I don't know if it's me or what. But otherwise, are you fine? Are you good?
Dipili like a right.
All right. Ladies and gents, I'm joined by Lindy. Kalvijo, Krichi Beam, Shimana Mutalega Siemo, almost Ruanaga Mala. Baban Zombargana, Mr. Donkey, my baby. A donkey, my hosh. How you sing, how you perform. And I thought, there's this lady, more Rustenbeck. I thought he's just kidding because of maybe the way you look. But damn.
How do I look?
But you can see. You can see. But let me do this. Before I can go further. Ketlore Kinalamang and Lindy Wekimang and Ochokai.
Lindy Bata.
Mm-hmm.
Jubetina Madlera. Mara no yana ke dula teng mo Rustenburg ya.
When did you come to Rustenburg?
Last year, October.
Lindy Bata, is it what are you? Are you Zulu? Are you Xhosa? Are you?
I'm Xhosa.
Uthanda imali?
Kakhulu.
Uthanda inyama?
Kakhulu.
Uthanda madoda? Mara nenjele kakhulu.
Ndithanda indoda, hayi amadoda.
All right, ladies and gents, let me do this. The love for music, man. How did you meet with music? To find that you are a musician?
I remember there was a time ke opela ko sekolong and then suddenly my teacher are ngwanoli a opele gape. Then ka re go tswa go na le something kan. Ha ko opela qhoko gae. Yeah, wa bona gore reaction ya batho. Mara this whole journey
yeah.
Ya go opela no thomile teng last year ka October. Mo Rustenburg.
Like you started recording ka October 2023.
Yes.
Come on, you sound like you've been in the game.
Nix.
And Otoma, what was the inspiration? No inspire ke bomang or tlhotlheletswa ha o ne tlo go bomang.
My
mom can sing.
We used to sing a lot. My late mom.
Let me do this. I'm gonna close my eyes. Maybe people don't understand or and that's why
okay.
I wanna listen to you singing any song. I'm gonna close my eyes.
Okay.
Do you need headset?
No.
It's fine. When you're ready, I wanna see you singing.
Okay. Ndizondwa ngabantu, ndizondwa ngumakhelwane, andaziba ndenzeni nangumakhelwane. Khanibize noma ngumama, azondikhulula ndisemzini wexaxayi. Khanibize noma ngumama, azondikhulula ndisemzini wexaxayi.
Come on. Get ready, show. King do jela show. The bums. Sure. And you're gifted. You're talented. Jam, I'm afraid now. I met you because of Watabiso and Bofred, but I'm scared. Did you work with any big artist or
no?
Did you maybe send a message to say, look at my work?
I have some few music.
Yeah.
And I guess I'm a WhatsApp or Twitter. Mara yaona I say ba bueli ko gonna mara.
Really?
I believe that they will recognize me
one day.
Yeah.
Come on, man. And you said your mom inspired you.
Yeah.
Mama okay, ke wa opela or
Na nana le voice e monate ke kra go go yena. O tlhokafetse by the way.
Oh,
May his soul
rest in peace. Come
Yeah.
on.
Yeah, so we used to sing a lot, me and Alai.
But you still have a father, ne?
Yeah, still do.
Alright. And how did you grow up? Like who did so? Because of a woman, but you cannot ask a woman age and who did how did you grow up? Come high.
Go high, we didn't have much. Mara.
Yeah.
I was a happy child with whatever that I had, whatever that they gave me. Se bana se afforda, ne ke le happy.
That's all.
Yeah. Go tlhaloganya situation ya go galona.
Yeah.
Gore e yang. And then as long as I lo kra lerato le dithuto.
Yeah.
Go galona nya go na sepe se sengwe.
I like did you finish your matric?
Yes, I did.
When?
2016.
2016. Now I'm trying to get the age, guys. But I said you cannot ask a woman how old are you. So by 2016, she was somewhere 17, 18, or 16 if nale correct or So tell me, who are you working with, or maybe who do you want to work with?
I would love to see myself working with many artists.
Yeah.
Ba tshwanang le bo Nkosazana Daughter, bo Maphorisa, DJ Maphorisa,
Yeah.
Master KG, like Babanzi, DJ Tir, Kore Babanzi.
Almost everyone in industry. But the challenge is, as a woman, remember Kamina Kawena, especially look really bo Fred so.
Yeah.
Banale Zaka so. They will book you. This is real. This is. I'm saying it from experience.
Yeah.
They will book you, and they will smash you.
Yeah.
You didn't get that. I'm not talking about him specifically, but more gaming, especially Olungwanyana. Banyana, they are very disadvantaged. For you to penetrate in the industry, and of which is painful. Like, and it's real. It's real.
Yeah.
You never came across such moiloring. You need for you to get into a studio, someone Onyaka Babash.
Nope. And I so pray for I fitlhele phone.
Really? Do you know sometimes you'll get there?
Oh,
but
jeez.
tlabe ile wena maybe unyakang. Ba tlo tshwarisha iPhone shi. Wa rosno e tshwaba.
Le nna be ke wela.
Do knows. Ne?
Mara ai ka rapela hela isa hitlago mo.
I pray that o share your talent. Uska tsena ka mogwete or ka mka wa bona. But now tell me, any project or any songs, the song Eloring How is trending. Which one is that one? Pikoko.
Yeah, and Uyandhlukumeza.
The one that you were singing now?
Yes.
Pikoko.
Yeah.
Can you sing the lyrics jakona Kikor Kefi?
Awdali dalo yangithanda ngiyayazi dalo yangikana ngiyavuma dali ngiyabulela ngokungithanda ngiyakuthanda ungowami wedali ungowami wangenza inkosikazi mayete nkosi yami ngiyabulela uma ngihamba nawe dali ubizwa ipikoko uma ngihamba nawe thuli ubizwa ipikoko.
Come on. Guys, this is a talent, man. Then I wish you all the best. Let me hold you. I'm giving you my power, and I'm taking your power as well. By doing that, ne? Can you understand? We're doing this voluntarily. Nobody's forced to do this. And even in future, if this thing gonna trend or something, don't come back to the Beehive podcast and say, please delete that. We agree on that.
We agree.
Thank you so much. Any way to especially ladies, let's not forget that. Any message to them or anything that you want to say?
Sing abafazi, it's not easy, especially kana maphupho ofuna wafikelela. It's not easy ukuthi wafikelele. Kusebenzisa imizimba yethu into ezinjalo. So into ningayicela kuni guys ne ilweleni into nifunayo kodwa ngendlela right. Ninga give up into enkulu ngumthandazo. And if you guys believe in ancestors nabo bakhona futhi bayakhusela bayayivula neminyango. So trust yourself, zithembe. Tell yourself ukuthi mina I'm capable and nothing can stop you.
Come on. Are you seeing someone? Are you dating?
Yes.
How many guys?
One.
Like let's talk on a brother like sister. Sale ba ukira cheat.
No.
Because no, you can never get a woman a cheat unless if one year. Azanga ba ukira when like cheating like that. How did they find you?
So crazy.
But did you Salowa find out your man cheating?
Yes.
How did you find him?
Mara akuseke money lo motho so phone wabo.
Like ubonang, I mean like
The message.
your ring. It was nice last night.
Mm.
No, get maybe you can tell me the story. How did you find? Because I once went live go TikTok and then I was asking people how did they find you cheating? Because of if you are a woman in about cheat, I mean like, duh, come on.
Nalumthwaka phone yaka ke
Even now,
Even now.
are you under any management or did you sign any under record label or something?
I'm under a Mampendana production.
Did you sign?
Yes.
For how long?
3 years.
Come on, good luck, man. And kibo mamba loro berekal wana kamo. Do you have kibo mamba loro like the PR managers? I wish you know
they
them.
don't abasi ba itsagale bone. Ke Mampendana, Themba and yeah.
No, the reason why I'm asking is that they know
Yes.
or about where
Yes.
they know what dilale ing.
They know. Exactly.
One sort.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, ladies and gents. Thank you so much one more time for tuning in. Thank you so much for being here. Kalbijo, Garichi B, Shimano Mtelaga Zemo, almost Ronaga Mala. Open Zombargana Mr. Danky, my baby. A Danky, my Hosha. Follow us on Facebook, Richie B and Joy Podcast. On YouTube, Richie B and Joy Podcast. TikTok, it's Richie B. Instagram, I can par. How do we follow you?
I go by the name of Lindy Bata. TikTok, Lindy Bata. Facebook page, Lindy Bata. Instagram, Twitter, Lindy Bata. Please do follow me. And please stream my music. EP, Mpumelelo, and 2 singles, Pikogo, and Uyandihlukumeza.
Thank God. Let's toast one more time. I wish to have you. No, it's covered for the last time.
Yes.
I want to know. I wanted to know the intro, and we'll talk more.
Yeah. And I forgot something.
No, don't forget.
I want to say big up to my dancers. Morven dancers, they are the most greatest, so I'm glad. I'm happy.
And when you can dance?
I try.
What's fun? Can you do that?
No.
Show me that. Just like I want them to see what I see. They don't see. Thank you so much, ladies and gents. Until we meet again, I love you so much, Bafetu. Without you, I'm nothing. And I see you, Botswana. We're going. We're on 80,000 followers, go Botswana. Lesotho, thank you so much for picking up. Iba pick up, we're on 40,000 followers, go Botswana. Zimbabwe, Zirise, Zonaganaga. Thank you so much, Bafetu. Africa, I don't want to lie. I am today because of these people. Without them, I'm nothing. So I want to say thank you so much for the continuous support. And don't forget, even though I'm not drinking it today, I have my own juice, BIF podcast juice. I just wanted to get something, support me. It's only 100 rand for 12. And the big one, it's 120 for 6, 1.6. Thank you so much one more time. Do you want to say something?
I want to say, Kamako. Thank you.
Hey, come on.
I proudly present to you the Beehive Podcast Juices. Breakfast Punch, Apple, and Tropical Burst.
It's time to level up with our juicy drinks, packed with real fruit flavor to get you buzzing again.
South Africa gets very like shit.